The Packout rolling tool chest is 1 pack, case, weight 38.4 pounds. Country of origin, area Israel, 48, 22, 84, 28. This is the Packout chest. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. By subscribing and like, so help out this channel by doing so. It's something that's huge, basically for bigger tools, for rotary hammers, smaller tools like drills and all that. But if you have a lot, it's a good way to keep them in. You can lock this on both sides with metal reinforced. So it's a good way to lock your tools on the back of your truck. Keep the honest people honest. You know, you're gonna be able to put a cable through here, some sort of chain on both of the handles, and keep them in your back of your truck. All right, so you got some nice big wheels. They are about 9 inches, 38 and a half, 23 and a half, 15 and 3/4. So 15 and 3/4. It's a pretty big box. It's actually meant for like the bigger tools. It is compatible with the Packout, so you can set a full box right here and a full box right there. All right, we got a crate. This is a Packout crate. So it locks into place. This is the M18 Packout vacuum. All right, so everything is facing that way. You can put your hand in through here and unlock it if you feel you need to do that. So I really like this part. You do got some space. Of course it's limited, but you are able to get your hand in there. All right, next one I got is the Packout light. So you got a Packout light here. You guys do see there, four halves or 2 full Packouts. So you are able to just, you know, grab it, lift it from here, and then just go. It does have a nice beefy handle. So you guys do see here. Oh, it does have the tag here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off in a second. So it does have a nice beefy handle, so you're not, you know, you're not gonna be crunching like this towards the bottom. So you can lift this with your hand, normal height, and get on your way. Like I said, you're gonna go through here. You're gonna take that off. This one, you're gonna go through here, take it off. Same thing with this one. Take it off through the front. You got some nice reinforced plastic on all corners. Nice reinforced plastic here. And same thing with the sides. They're very reinforced. And like I said, you are able to stand it up like so. You are able to just stand it up like so. You know, lean it against the garage, so that way it doesn't take a lot of space. That's for the handle. So the handle goes all the way in here. Plus, you do got some metal. The lid is plastic with metal inside, with a metal bar. These are big, beefy latches. Open it through here. Open it like so. You do have a metal guide here. When you open it, it does lock in place. It releases. So when you open it up, it locks into place because this is big and heavy. It does have a lock here. You press this button here and it releases, and then you can close it. It does have some mounting points. A screw right here, screw right here, screw right here. All these are screws. You guys could put, you know, your mounting, your chargers, whatever. Same thing with this. It's all over the lid here. Reinforced plastic here for the lid, in case you want to put the heavy Packout on the top. Reinforced plastic of the box. Organizer with a nice handle. You're able to put this on both sides. It latches in on either side. So that's the way it looks. Like I said, it does have reinforcements on all the walls. All right, tall wise inside, 12 and a half. Side by side, you're gonna get about 32 and a quarter. Just keep in mind that here at the bottom you got the wheels, and then you got the slant. It goes to slant like that. And on the back, it does have a nice beefy handle. Really beefy handle. Does have some nice beefy stops. Like I said, you guys could stand this box. Nice beefy casters. Plastic, some sort of rubber plastic. Nice thick bar. Yeah, let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this? I really do like it. I think it's gonna, you know, help me out with my storage. Especially if, like I said, if you want to put something like this on the back of your truck, stand it up and lean it against the truck and then just pick it up if it's gonna be heavy. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.